Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Oral History Association of India. Ohai, mentakas ngi ka khatlai tarik uluber arajar arpusau, kala penlongnya ka jinyalang halor ka pang, Mountain History, at the intersection of memory, politics, and identity. Ya kabala penlong ha ka school ba North Eastern Hills University, Shillong. Hagani ka program lay tre langru bat ka trat rekam jong ka journalism and mass communication ka nehu bat ka Northeast India AV Archive jong ka Jaka Police St. Anthony's College Shillong ha ka ba yakani ka jingalang la Beijing yaram da ka Sasakawa Peace Foundation ka ba na Japan halor ka thong ban penkeo ya ka jing reospa jong ka ri ha ka ba day bat ki Khana umin barim kariti ka dostor da ka babandru halor ka jingklet no ya ki jat puri skam ne ki Khana ki ba don ha ki ni ki than ki ba long lum jong kari hagani ka jingalang lawan banyadan ringkat do menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla Rakkam is sangma ubalalong kumukongsan para ba jingkren nakaliang ukongsan ulaong bakani kalong kawai ni ki benta ka ba I mean sim ni ushimet bat ka badandru ka jingya dai ka ba jan bat ka ba kamlong pla ha ka sin ka ba ningkong ba wan banya dan benta ha ki ba kum giri ki jat program ulaong ru what I tang banya Pyrshang ban Pynneh tang yi ki Khana ki ba rim Henry Pyrshang ban Shna ya ki jong ki Khana ru da ka ba kinmao ya ki jing shem bat ki jing Shna ha ki por ki ba la dem bat kani kan I min sim ni ki ba bun ban wat bat ban sandur bat ru ban Shna Ulaong ru ba kum ki breu ki dai ban wat banya kham tam halor ka jing don jong ka juk technology ba menta ka ban yarap ban persmotho ye ki jing tho bat ki jing kren ha ki jat ktin ba pher namar lada kum ki breu ki khen ba kim don bat kim tem kala ban bo yo dak jing kali u ba he ka ai ka ban jia la shai la shisngi kini ka jing yalang kala pan let jing bot ru ha ka bai dai bat ka jing wat banya ye ki lom ki them ki Khana umen hindai jong kariti ka dostor ki jingle ran batru ka san perthei lingba ka lat kren ka babu ya ka thong na ka benta ki breu ki bade ki trashnong kani kan pen pau perthei ru ya ki sur bakren bat ka ban pen I perthei ru halor ka dur ka dar jong ka snong ka thau ka rukom trekam ki jingsa jingkin mau batru ka burom ka ijat jong ka snong
all the distinguished leaders and those individuals whose hands had made these things possible. So therefore, at the very outset, let's not make history. Let's make our story. That's very important. We still remember the discovery, the invention of many the scientists of the past. Peter Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, the Darwin, all things of the men still inspire each one of us. But today it's something which I really feel is very, very unique and very important. But I'm just saying, I'm just discussing the lines just now. This oral history is something I personally feel that we're going beyond the boundary of the technology. Keeping alive of these things, it will be very, very challenging for the scientists, the technologists of today. Yes, as an individual, as academicians, as a scientist, we are here to discover. But this is something which is beyond the ability of the human beings to invent any language, any dialogue. It is unimaginable now. Do we have as a human being to invent a language? It is not. Do we have a technology which reach, understand every language of the earth? No. Maybe we don't know what will happen tomorrow. We only know the English. English of the English, English of the Shillong, English of the Delhi. Right? Yes. We try to understand the English. But I don't know what Chinese. Here, many Kasi friends don't know Garo. I'm a Garo, I don't know Kasi. But I still try to speak the 4th class, 3rd class Hindi also. But there are many English-speaking people don't know what I speak. When I go to Delhi, when I go to other parts of the city, they ask me, brother, are you from China? Are you from Myanmar? They don't know where I belong, right? So therefore, as a traveler, I want to tell you, let's, as academicians, as a research scholar, the world are designed. I'm a Christian. The Bible says, the world is created by the Almighty. And the human understanding is very, very limited. And these are the things that beyond understanding of the human beings. We have just discovered little. Out of 1,000 miles, the 1,000 wonders will come towards the hill and the mountain, split the darkness, and discover what the beauty, the culture that we have. What the language that we speak, what the dress that we wear. I think, don't mind for saying this, the discovery of the people from Delhi and Gujarat and Maharashtra might have been over. Everything has been studied, everything has been researched. But many thousands of talents, resources that we have, still unfold, still yet to be discovered. In Gulf Hills, we have the mother of all citrus fruit. Is in Meghalaya. The document says the longest cave in Asia, I think if I'm not wrong, is in Meghalaya. The most, the unique fish that we have has been identified in Meghalaya. In Northeast, the mountains and the hills and the stream, the flora and the fauna. Who will discover? Therefore, today, it's my request to all academicians, research scholars, like other scientists and the philosophers. I think here, we are here not to invent only, but we are here to discover first. Like, there are many, I think there are many human speaking language, dialect, that existed, spoken by the human beings. Many tribes has already been extinct. I will give an example. I'm not a historian, but in fact I love to read history. I'll just give a few examples. I've spoken many times. There's a dialect called Ruka in among the Garo sub-tribe called Ruka, spoken by the tribes, communities live towards the southern part of the Meghalaya. I've been told till last 2 years back, there's only one individual who still speaking knows that dialect. But I think she already passed away. No, but completely extinct from the earth. And today, I'm a different type of man. So, yes, I'm in Garo, but I don't speak Garo. Garo is not my mother tongue. My mother tongue is called Atto. Atto. that speak a very limited area of the Meghalayas, on the southern part of the and some region towards Bangladesh. So very limited area. But these days, I would say in next 10 to 15 years, if we go at the same trend as we're happening now, my mother tongue is going to be extinct. I have to castigate myself because I speak my mother tongue is Atong, but I married to non-Atong, Garo. But we speak the Garo. And with whom should I speak at home? Nobody there. My mother and my father speak Atong. With me, my parents speak Atong. But with my father and my youngest daughter speak Garo. And my youngest daughter and their children speak Garo, not Atong. And in next 10 to 15 years, the Atong dialect speaking will be no more in my family. It will happen with every family. I'm just going to give an example.